Kev G weather overview, and for some, tonight will be the first flakes of the season for areas around Orange County and points north up the Hudson Valley. We're looking at a situation where this is going to start out as snow, sleet, and freezing rain in these areas, and then it'll quickly go over to rain. But if you're out and about while that's going on, you may want to take it easy on the roads. Not expecting a lot of accumulation, but the National Weather Service does have up a winter weather advisory for tonight in the interior. Now, for New York City, Long Island, near the coast, this is a plain old rain and a miserable rain at that. Let's take a look at the radar here. And you can see that in the northwest parts of New Jersey, we're starting to see rain and even a rain-snow mix move in. And that will fill in as the night progresses from south to north and basically from southwest to northeast. And we'll get a solid area of rain here, it looks like, a half inch to an inch for many. So in and around the tri-state area proper, or near the coast, this will just be a plain rain. And the model handles it as such. Basically, rain moves in from southwest to northeast as the night progresses, and it becomes steady and even heavy for a brief period. We'll look to probably get about a half inch to an inch, may even linger into tomorrow morning. And then after that, the main weather story is going to be the cold weather. It's going to be below normal as far as temperatures are concerned, and I foresee that actually continuing through much of Thanksgiving week. So here we are over the weekend. Nothing really happening on the weather maps. It's high and dry. But then you notice by Sunday night into Monday, the lines of equal pressure, they become more tightly packed together. And that tells me that more cold air is going to be moving in on a brisk northerly wind by Sunday night into Monday. So we may get a bounce for our temperatures in and around Sunday with highs maybe trying to make a run at 50, but then this reinforcing shot of cold air comes in. Now, if you're traveling for Thanksgiving week, looking like not too bad. There's not a lot of major storms around. It looks like from coast to coast, except for the Pacific Northwest, we're going to be looking at pretty much high and dry. Now, as we get late in the period, around Thursday morning, this would be Thanksgiving morning, you start to see a lot of rain and some thunderstorms developing in the mid-Mississippi Valley, and they are going to try to make a run at us at some point. But I think that right now, Thanksgiving is going to be okay for much of the tri-state area. I think we'll hold on to one more day, and then we'll maybe bring some rain in for Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. But, it's still a long way off. Things can change. So I would keep an eye on that. But if you have major plans for flying anyway and traveling to Grandma's house for Thanksgiving week, it doesn't look too bad. Now, the temperatures didn't go anywhere today. Highs around 46. Maybe a little bit of sun develops after the rain goes through on Wednesday for tomorrow. Highs around 50. But then look at this. Back in the 40s, lower 40s at that for Thursday. Let me go back to Thursday. And here's Friday with highs around 43. So 46 for Thursday, 43 for Friday. And Saturday, we've got highs around 40. So very chilly. And then I think we'll see a reinforcing shot of cold air for Sunday night into Monday. And those winds will pick up from the north. So one more warm day, if you want to call it that, tomorrow. Once the rain goes by, and then we'll have chilly weather moving in. And I think it will stick around for much of Thanksgiving week.